Ah. Oh, that's weird. Look at my nose! Look at Colin with the short hair. He looks so retarded.
Come on.
Hello.
Wait, he looks retarded anyways.
Hello. Hello. Oh, here you go.
Memories right here.
Oh my gosh, Christian, look. Huh. I have a big brain. God. And hair. And hair. Huh, guys. Flap it, flap it, flap it, flap it, flap it. Remember that? Yeah. Hold on. Ew. That was awesome because it looked like I did it. Didn't it? Do you have anything up your nose? Is there anything up there? Can you see anything? Is there anything up? Oh my gosh! Would it make that better if you actually had something up your nose?
I was gonna say that before.
Oh my gosh! Hey, get in this. Ah, Christian! Christian.
I will bump you up.